Thank you for choosing Frizzlife. Let's take a look at how to properly use the CW5000+MS99. Product introductions. Sample connection. Let's begin the installation process. Please take out the system and all the components from the box. Inspect them carefully according to product introduction, and make sure nothing is missing or damaged during shipping. If any parts are cracked or broken, please do not proceed with installation and contact Frizzlife for an exchange or diagnosis. Email support@frizzlife.com. Please carefully read the precautions for installation location. Cut the tubing straight and cleanly. Insert the tubing into the valve and push it in fully. Tighten with a wrench. Remove existing cold water hose. Twist the feed water valve onto the angle valve. Connect the cold water hose you just removed. Remove the small blue clip on the supply end. Make sure the tubing is fully inserted into the fitting. Lock back the blue clip. Connect the filtered end with another white tubing the same way. Drill a 1-inch hole, optional. Install the faucet. Load the faucet fixture. Mount the rubber. Fasten the hand fixture underneath. Install the water fittings. Secure them with blue locking clips. Connect the tubing from the MS99 outlet to the 3-way water fitting. Point 1. Cut 2 pieces of tubing to appropriate lengths. Insert one end of each of the 2 tubings into the 2 ports of the 3-way water fitting. Lock with blue clips. Cut a suitable length of white tubing. Install the ball valve between and lock with blue clips. Remove the plugs on chiller. Insert the other end of tubing from ball valve to inlet port of the chiller, secure with a blue clip. Insert other end of the tubing from 3-way water fitting, point 3, to the longer stem of the faucet and secure with a blue clip. Cut a suitable length of white tubing. Wrap this tubing with provided insulation sleeve. Insert one end into the outlet port of the chiller and secure with a blue clip. Insert the other end into the water fitting on the faucet's shorter stem, cold side, and secure with a blue clip. Keep the ball valve closed. Turn on the angle valve and the 3-way feed water valve. Turn on the right side handle of the faucet. Flush the filter for 10 to 15 minutes. Connect the power supply. Turn off the faucet. Open the ball valve and check all connections carefully for leaks. Turn on the left side handle of the faucet to flush the chiller for 5 to 10 minutes. After the unit is powered on, it starts operating automatically. The buzzer sounds once, the button indicator lights turn on, and the display shows the current chilled water temperature. Default set temperature, 41 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Press and hold the temperature setting button for 5 seconds to enter temperature setting mode. The temperature value will flash. 3. Each short press decreases the temperature by 1 degree Fahrenheit/2 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. The adjustable range is from 39 degrees Fahrenheit minimum to 52 degrees Fahrenheit maximum, cycling downward. 5. If no operation is performed for 5 seconds, the system exits setting mode and saves the selected temperature. Automatic cooling operation. Leak detection protection. Cooling abnormal protection. Twist the housing counterclockwise and use a wrench to unscrew the housing body. Use the wrench to unscrew the housing body, take out the old cartridge and load with the new one, then install back in the same way. Please flush the new cartridge for 5 to 10 minutes before starting to use.